All right, we're getting ready to go outside. Wow, this is going out the west door. That is the snowdrift that is by our barn. Ashley, go through the other door. It's Bo's hut. The drift is as tall as the door. This is the north side of that drift. Easily is taller than me. It's got to be at least about 7 foot. Well, get it close as much as you can. Here's our garage barn. No problem, Ken. I can get out if I need to. But here's the drift, or drifts, I will need to go through to get out my driveway. Let's see, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get close at all or not. This drift here is as tall as our basement. Now I can kind of stand on it. Walk over it. This is our propane tank. Ugh. That's the drift by our patio door there. That's the dumpster. Propane tank. Not too bad, but let's see here. I'm coming up to the gate, which is about 4 feet, and I don't know if you can really tell, but past the gate, the drift at the end of our driveway's got to be at least, well, I'm looking eye level, so it's got to be 5 feet. This is the drift coming over our fence, which is a fence. I will definitely be going to work anytime soon. My neighbor's car that's stuck at the end of her driveway. And it looks like there's a truck also stuck in their driveway too.